Good afternoon to each and every one of you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, ano po tayo today? Samba po tayo para ma-bless naman yung ating soul. Malakas ang ating katawan, kailangan dapat malakas din ang ating kaluluwa. So, I'm with May. Busy po siyang nag-aura today. Si Joseph naman, nakaalis na, pumunta na po siya. So, later, magkakaroon tayo ng magbibideo po tayo with Joseph. Si Maria naman, po siya today, so bukas po siya sasamba. So, only 3 of us will go to church today. Actually, this is only an update, guys. Just to let you know that we're all fine and doing good despite the hardship. And alam nyo na, nowadays, mahirap pa rin ang buhay. Di pa rin tayo nakakabangon sa pandemic. So, laban lang, guys. So, yan. That's all for our video today. Let me give you another update when we reach church. So, kuha tayo ng konti update para mabalitan. So, guys, sa kayong lahat dyan, I hope na everybody's doing well. Alam ko, mas healthy pa rin tayo kasi binigyan sa tayo ng buhay. Despite the fact na ang dami na natin pinaanan. So, let's give our very, very best para sa ikasisiya. Kasi we have peace dahil sa gift na binibigay niya sa atin. Kaya kahit anong bago, hirap, well, let's just embrace it and fight for it kasi yun talagang buhay. So, that's the privilege we have dahil namubuhay pa tayo. So, everyone, guys, I hope you all better and well. Give us a thumbs up if you agree with me, but if not, you can write down your comment into our comment section. And yes, lahat yan appreciated. Change views para tayo lahat ay let's work as a community. Just in case, guys, you want to be with us, well, just notify me because I'm so willing to be your one of us and be a part of us in this faith. So, guys, later ulit.